is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install the latest software update for your Mac OS. All right, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so what you need to do is go to the top left, click the Apple symbol, click System Preferences, and it may say System Settings for some of you, but nevertheless, go ahead and click that. And now you want to go down and find Software Update. Okay, and as you can see, macOS Ventura 13.5.1 is ready to upgrade. So this is 4.59 gigabytes. You're going to want to make sure your computer is hooked up to the charger and select Upgrade Now. All right, so agree to the terms. All right, so this is going to download, then it's going to install, and it's going to take you through a series of reboots. So let's just wait until this completes the downloading process. Okay, so we have less than a gigabyte left. It says about 3 seconds remaining. It is currently preparing the software update for install. And it says about 30 minutes remaining. So I'll check back with you guys soon. All right, guys, about 5 minutes remaining and the reboots should commence soon. So fingers crossed. It's been about 20 minutes. Okay, so it went through the first reboot. Now we're on the second reboot, guys. We are now on the third reboot. And I'm guessing it's so many because, you know, this is 5 gigs being installed. So, yep, third reboot. Fourth reboot. Hopefully this is the last one. All right, so we are almost at the end of the fourth reboot. It says 8 minutes remaining. I believe this is the last one. All right, guys, and just like that, the computer has been updated. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.